तर डेप्युटी मामलेदार, देन जॉईंट मामलेदार, तसेच काउन्सिलर्स, वॉर्ड काउन्सिलर्स आणि बाकीचे काउन्सिलर्स, पुलीस पर्सनल हांगा डेप्युटी आहा ते हांगा येयले ते चेक करतात बाबा कोणाक अलाव करपाचे, कितें तांकां फूड सप्लाय कशी कितें करपाची हेचेर ते चलना कित्याक बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ पीपल कम्स आणि ते आपल्या फॅमिलीक रिलेटिव्हसांक फूड दिवपाक येतात. सो त्याच्या खातीर हांगा ते मुद्दम येयल्ले की येतात हांगा आसून ते फूड ह्या बॅरिकेड कडेन हाडून दवरतात आणि तेंच्या फॅमिलीसांक दिवपाक ट्राय करतात. बिकॉज कालच्यान फूड सप्लाय चालू केला पण अजून मेरेन सगळे कडेन पावल्ली अशी दिसून येयना. लॉट ऑफ पीपल तर सेइंग दॅट तांकां फूड सप्लाय अजून मेरेन सारकी पावना. पण म्हणून थोडे लोक हाडटात आणि हे बॅरिकेडांकडे फूड आपले कितें आयटम्स आहात, जे ग्रोसरी आयटम्स आहात ते दवरतात आणि ते येवन हांगा स्पीक करून जे मांगरान जे कंटेनमेंट झोनान आहात ते येवन व्हरतात. ओके, हांव रायट नाव आतां हांव डेप्युटी कलेक्टर रिक्वेस्ट करून पळयता इफ ही विल से समथींग ऑर नॉट. येस सर, आय कॅन लिसन सर. सर वॉट इज आतां कितें सिच्युएशन आहा आनी कितें अशें सर? सर रायट नाव वॉट कितें कितें सप्लाय अशें जाला अशें कितें?
Right now we are distributing essentials, which is rice, dal, jasa, that we are distributing for free from the government. But already we have started. Yesterday we have distributed some packets. Distribution is presently going on at the front gate. And from here, the vegetables, those will be distributed from here. Those will be paid, of course. And rice, dal, jasa, they have free distribution already started from yesterday.
Yesterday request असली about the ambulance medical assistance तेचेर कितें जाला सर?
Whatever people had queries about problems about the medical, they were already sent with police escort, and they were admitted in a Chikalim hospital on the same day.
So आता ambulance बी कितें दवरले?
Ambulance is not stationed at present, but whoever are required on call basis, we are sending them to the concerned list.
सर मेडिकल जे स्वॅब टेस्ट काडपाचे आसले ते आयज कितें चालू आहा, कालसून चालू आहा कितें अशें?
No, it will be started soon. Soon the health team will come. As of now, they are carrying out screening over here. Screening करता है and suppose anybody has symptoms, so their test they are carrying out. And very soon regular testing will also start by the health officials will start the regular swab testing.
Sir, how many अशे swab test positive अशे गावले आयज till date now अशें कितें idea?
That information is already
Hero,
communicated from services.
Yeah.
Hero, can you ask the deputy collector whether there are any plans?
Oh, सर आणि फ्युचर कशे कितें plans आहा म्हणजे कितें plans changes?
Yeah, as the things go on, we will decide what is to be done.
But sir, lot of people
We are
come over
getting
here
news
and
that almost 200 people have been positive. Hello.
सर हांगा
Hero.
अशें इन्फॉर्मेशन गावल्या की 200 पिपल्सांक खंय तरी हें जालां म्हणून अशें कितें गावलां, तुमकां कितें येयलां सर?
No, see, whatever is there, government is communicating officially through the channel. Directorate of Health Services is releasing daily bulletin. So whatever is there, government is communicating already.
सर फूड चेन अजून फूड सप्लाय ग्रोसरी आयटम्स अजून पावना हेचेर कितें सांगू सर?
Already we are working. I told you already. आम्ही free delivery ज्या rice आणि दालीची start केली आहे. And vegetables and milk also supply. We are working on it and it will be delivered regularly.
Sir, here we can
vegetable delivery आम्ही आता start करत आहे.
Sir, here we can see some electrical person,
Hero.
electrician J. Yeah, one second. Here we can see some electrical J's, A's who are.
Hero, can you ask him? Hero, just a minute. Hero, can you ask him?
Yeah, yes, continue. J, A, because they are the right person for.
Yeah, Hero, can you ask him if there are any
others.
plans to extend the area?
Sir, about area containment zone वाढवपाचे बी अशे कितें plans आहा जावं?
No, as of now, government has not.
Hero, can you ask him if there's any plan to increase the area and containment?
No, he's saying no. I asked just now. He said no. There is no plans. Thank you, sir. So he said no. Okay.
Yes. Thank you, Hero.
He-
Now,
so-
any councillors or anybody are there?
Yeah. I'll contact. Yatin, you leave.
Now, any councillors, ward councillors, anybody is there?
Right now ward council is not there. There is a
Hello?
councillor. This is a Yatin
Hero,
Kamul.
any
Yeah,
ward? Yeah.
This is a Yatin Kamulikar, councillor of Munmuga Municipal Council, and he will speak. Yeah.
Okay.
Hello. So what do you like to means येते किती किती असे वास्को एमएलए तर्फे किती किती बंगासो तयारी चालू हा वास्को
Okay.
एमएलए किती किती असे रिक्वेस्ट केला आणि तुमका किती सांगू
Yeah. So could you give us a status of what is happening?
त्यांच्यानी ॲम्ब्युलन्स सांगून प्रोव्हाइड करून दिता म्हणून सांगला टील देन आयज सांची मिटींग जाली कलेक्टरा कडेन तेन्ना आमचे ऑनरेबल एमएलए वास्को कालू सरमतान तांकां आपूण सजेशन दिलां की जो पर्यंत ॲम्ब्युलन्स अवेलेबल जायना तो पर्यंत आपूण एक कुटुंबाची एक व्हेकल आपूण 24/7 तांकां दवरता जेणे करून समज कोणाक कसले कंप्लेन आसा फिवर जावं आनी कितें जेंची इमर्जन्सी ना तांकां आमी ते कदंबान आमकां विथ पुलीस एस्कॉर्ट आमी तांकां चिकालीं कॉटेज हॉस्पिटलान व्हरोन तांकां ट्रिटमेंट करून तांकां हाडूंक शकता.
त्या भायर
What
बाकीचे
about
फूडचे
food? What
इंडस्ट्री
about food items? Essentials?
तुम्ही हांगा तुम्ही पळयलां आसतलें की जेंकां डेजिग्नेटेड जे ग्रॉसरी डिलिव्हरी शॉप्स आसा त्यांचे मनीस ऑलरेडी हांगा तुम्ही पळयलां आसतलें तेंच्यांनी पॅकिंग करून सामान जे लोकांनी ऑर्डर केल्लें आसा पळय ते येयल्लें आसा आणि ते एक एक करून हांगा दितले. तेच्या भायर तुम्ही हांगासरच पळोवंक शकता आमी हॉर्टिकल्चरा तर्फे तांकां व्हेजिटेबल्सांची पॅकेज केला आणि त्या पॅकेज हांगासर तेची डिलिव्हरी चालू आसा. सो हे सगळे सिस्टम जसे आमचे डेप्युटी कलेक्टर साहेबान सांगलें तुमकां की आमचे मॅनेजर ऑफिस तेंच्यांनी सुद्धा फ्री जे रायस आणि डाळ जी आमी आमचे ऑनरेबल सीएमान तांकां प्रॉमिस केल्ले ती सुद्धा सिस्टम डिलिव्हरीची सिस्टम चालू जाल्ली आसा. सो स्लोली बट स्टडीली एवरीथिंग इज फॉलिंग इन टू प्लेस आणि म्हाका दिसता आयच्यान किंवा फाल्यांच्यान असले म्हाका दिसता हे प्रॉब्लम्स जे लोकांक जाला पळय न्हू ते जावचे ना अशी हांव अपेक्षा बाळगता.
देर इज अ फियर इन वास्को काज दॅट लॉकडाऊना बद्दल तेचेर कितें सांगू तूं
वेल वास्कोकारांक सगळ्यांक लॉकडाऊन जायच आमचे ऑनरेबल एमएलए चेअरपर्सन काउन्सिलर सगळ्यांनीच मागलेले आसा आणि वॉलंटरीली लोकांनी म्हाका दिसता ऑलरेडी व्हेजिटेबल मार्केटांतल्या शॉपवाल्यांनी सुद्धा आमकां तेंच्यांनी वॉलंटरी बंद करता म्हणून सांगला. सो होपफुली सुनर ऑर लेटर म्हाका दिसता लॉकडाऊन सरकार कडल्यान जो लोक तरी शिवर करतले अशी आमकां दिसता.
या एनिथिंग ग्लॅन
No, why is it? Yeah, why is it that they feel that the administration is not going in for lockdown? Why does it? Even though the
तुमकां कितें
MLAs
दिसता
want,
हेची
the councillors want, why you feel?
वाय डिले इन लॉकडाऊन अशें दिसता तुमकां येतून कित्या खातीर अशें डिले
वेल तेजेर हांव कांय कितें ऑनरेबल सीएम वास्को येवन गेल्लो आसा आनी त्यांनी ऑलरेडी सांगलेलें आसा की समज जे लोकल ट्रान्समिशन आसा ते कम्युनिटी ट्रान्समिशन समज जावपाक लागले जाल्यार मागीर ते खंय तरी स्टेप घेतले. अजून पर्यंत म्हाका दिसता 2 हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंटाचे आमचे हेल्थ वर्कर्स आसा जे वास्को कन्स्टिट्युन्सीन आसा रावता ते पॉझिटिव्ह आयिल्ले अशी खबर आसलेली. सो अपार्ट फ्रॉम दॅट आनी खंयतरूच वास्कोच्या एरियन ना देवाच्या कृपेन जावं ना काय पॉझिटिव्ह केसीस बट वास्को काय जाय म्हाका माझे स्वतःचे तुम्ही विचार विचारले जाल्यार आय एम ऑलरेडी सपोर्टिंग माय ऑनरेबल एमएलए डिमांड फॉर अ लॉकडाऊन. आमचे चेअरपर्सन सुद्धा आमचे सगळे काउन्सिलर सुद्धा आमचे लॉकडाऊन जाय म्हणून मागता.
येथील खंय
Now,
तरी
but okay, 200
cases
people have been found.
around
Almost 200
cases
people
yeah
cases have been found. So,
yeah
what more you want to show that it is not a emergency
येथील
situation? You feel?
ऑलमोस्ट 200 केसेस पावल्या म्हणून आयकूंक येता. तुमकां कितें दिसता एमर्जन्सी जावंक ना एमर्जन्सी जावपाक रावल्या काय कित्या खातीर रावल्या अशें दिसता तुमकां
वेल जसे आमचे ऑथॉरिटीज आमचे कलेक्टर बी आमकां सांगता की हे सद्याक लोकल ट्रान्समिशन आसा न्ही हे जे 200 केसीस जे आसा ते म्हाका दिसता 1-2 केसीस वास्कोच्या आमचे कंटेनमेंट एरियांतल्यान भायर सोडले जाल्यार बाकी सगळे केसीस जे कंटेनमेंट एरिया भितर आसा सो तेज्या लागून खंय तरी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशनाक दिसता की बाबा ही केसीस भायर पावून आसल्या कारणान ही एक एरिया आमी कंटेनमेंट दवरले जाल्यार वास्कोन लॉकडाऊन करपाची गरज ना. पण वास्कोकारांक शॉपकारांक बिझनेसमॅन आयज आमी तुमकां सांगता आयज आमी तुम्ही जाणा आसतले अनंत आश्रमाचो पात्रांव श्रीपाद शेट्ये आमचे पॅरिस प्रिस्ट आमचे चॅनल रूट चर्चीचो फादर गॅब्रियल कुटिनो तसोच आनी एक बिझनेसमॅन इकबाल मोहिदीन असे कितकेच जाण आसा ज्यांच्यांनी ऑलरेडी स्वताहून आपूण सांगलेलें आसा की बाबा आमी लॉकडाऊनाक सपोर्ट करता वास्कोकारांक लॉकडाऊन जाय म्हणून.
ओके ग्लॅन एनिथिंग
No, thanks,
okay
Yatin. Thank you very much.
right now you can see here there are a lot of people
Viru, could you give me
coming for food grains.
yeah,
Listen,
give us a
now
visuals
they
of
are
that,
supplying
please.
food grains means the vegetables and all. This is a vehicle which have arrived here with the vegetables and
Okay.
all. Okay, and these are the people who are gathered here for that vegetable food supply. Okay, this is a vehicle where you can see the food vegetables. They have bought these councillors and deputy collector, and these people have came here to collect the vegetables and fruit grains and everything.
But are these government people or are these NGOs?
No, these are they are from the Vasco. Yeah, I'll find out the exact thing. Yatin?
Yeah, can we talk to one of them? Can we talk to one of them? Are they willing to talk to us? Just see, Hero.
Yeah, Frederick, can you come here? This is the Frederick, who is a local councillor in this area. Yeah, Frederick,
Okay.
what is this supply? Who is supplying this food chain and all?
Actually, the government only has arranged, and I mean, we have some local MLA's office. He helped us in getting these are accredited to the horticulture department. They have their stalls number, so they made packets. I mean, all these vegetable packets have been made. People, this was planned over the last 2 days. Today it's been put into action. So that's like each packet will be given to each family. They'll have to purchase it.
How many
Means
times
how
a
much
day?
it
How
will
many times a day will these supplies come? How many times a day will these supplies come?
Vegetables needed.
every day it will be supplied, or how many days?
Every day.
Every day it will be supplied.
Yeah.
Have you taken any contact
No, how
numbers
many
or how it
times?
will be?
How many times
What
a
has
day?
happened is the government
Yeah.
has earmarked for provisions. For provisions, there are 3 shops that have been earmarked for vegetables, for milk. Things have been put in place. So these are accredited to the government itself. Now what has happened is they come today, they were packing all morning, and now evening the supply will be.
It will be how many times a day it will be supplied?
Over the evening period, see morning they need to pack up. So in the evening it will come in all 3 places. In the morning it was supplied over there. There's another gate over there at Ambabai temple.
Yeah.
So at that gate over there it was supplied in the morning. Then in the at Navalgarh flats, there's another gate over there. That was supplied and now over here.
There was a huge chaos yesterday about the food chain, and the local councillor was saying that there is nothing supplied, nothing has happened. What do you like to say on that?
See, what happened is, I mean, the local councillor, there are 2 local councillors over here. One is Pastoral and one is Saifullah. I'm the adjoining ward. So what has happened is, yesterday there was a slight problem. Day before yesterday, the chief minister had come and he had promised that there would be groceries, I mean, rice and dal that would be supplied free of cost to the people. It began yesterday evening. That procedure is already on, and in fact, right now it's happening at Navalgarh flats over there. There, the distribution, free distribution of food grains is already going on.
Oh, glad
Yes.
anything? Yeah.
Yesterday, what had happened
Yeah,
was, I mean,
well,
they were expecting that it would happen, but then the staff, they were packing it, so that procedure takes some
what
time.
about the
But by yesterday, distribution of free food already began. Vegetables is already in place. Milk supply happened today morning. Mornings from 5 to 8, milk has been coming at 3 designated places. So everything is in place at the moment.
Glad anything for you?
what about the
Glenn?
testing? What about the testing? When does
Glenn?
Mr. Frederick know when the testing is going to restart? And what are the number of cases that have been found positive? Does Frederick know any?
Fred,
Could you give us some details on this?
Frederick,
Hiru?
when will be the testing start and what are the cases found? Any उनका किधर इसका?
See, what had happened was, as far as testing is concerned, the medical team had some issues, as everybody would be aware. Issues as in with regards to the virus part of it. So things are falling in place. The doctor, I mean, already there is a OPD that has already begun over here. With regards to today morning, the doctors from Chikalim Hospital came. They began the OPD. There will be 2 centers where for 2 hours they'll be functioning right from inside. Yesterday, as there was an issue with regards to there were some patients over here being shifted to Chikalim Hospital. It took some time. Finally, in the evening, with the intervention of councillors and the deputy collector, they were moved out to Chikalim Hospital. Today, what has happened is there is an OPD that has begun, which was working for 2 hours in the morning, and it will happen continuously now every day. With regards to testing, we have been told that it will begin on Monday. These last 2 days it hasn't happened because the medical team has been kind of
Any idea about how many cases has been till now reached a positive?
that it is the health department that takes a call on that.
Yeah, Glenn, anything for you? Glenn?
No, thanks, Mr. Frederick. Yeah, thank you,
Thanks,
Frederick.
thanks, sir. Yeah, yeah. These are the food,
Yeah, Hiru
vegetables,
now.
whatever they are. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. Could
Yes.
you give me some visuals again, long visuals? police, cops. Yeah. And give me a
Yeah, these
small
are the
brief. No,
police.
what is the mood? Yeah. What is the mood of the people of Vasco, according to you? Could you
Yeah,
give me a small
yeah,
this
yeah.
on that?
Yeah, yesterday till yesterday evening there was a huge chaos आणि लोकांची गर्दी पडलेली आणि लोक nearly 200 to 300 लोक रस्त्यार येयल्ले because there was तांकां फूड ग्रेन्स ग्रोसरी आयटम्स तांकां पावोंक नासले एज सीएम अनाउन्स केल्ले पूण ते खंय तरी पावपाक डिले जाले सेकंडली देर सम पिपल्स वेर जे लोक थोडे बरे नासले थोडे फिवर येताले आणि ते एम्ब्युलन्स खंय तरी पावपाक जाय म्हणून ते मागणी करताले पूण तांकां ती मेडिकल फेसिलिटी टायमार पावोंक ना म्हणून ते खंय तरी हे जाल्ले आणि म्हणून ते लोक काल ते रस्त्यार येयले आफ्टर दॅट तांकां मेडिकल असिस्टन्सूय मेळ्ळें आणि त्या भायर सांजचे लेट इवनिंग तांकां फूड ग्रेन्स जे ग्रोसरी आयटम तांकां पावयले तुमी तशेंच काल आणि काल आमकां 6 जाण जे पॉझिटिव्ह मेळ्ळे जे हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंटाचे बिकॉज ऑफ दॅट आयज हेल्थाची खंय तरी जी टीम आसली ती हांगा पावोंक शकले ना बिकॉज तांकां टेस्टिंग करूंक ना कालूय करूंक ना बिकॉज हांगासले जे हेल्थाचे 6 जाण आसले तांकां पॉझिटिव्ह गावल्या कारणान अशें जावंक येता की बाकीचे जे हेल्थाचे वर्कर्स आहा तांकांय खंय तरी क्वॉरंटायन जावचें पडलें बिकॉज ऑफ दॅट मे बी वन रिजन तशेंच पळोवपाक गेल्यार आतां तेणी सांगलें अशें तांकां हेल्थ कोणाक मेडिकल असिस्टन्स जाय जाल्यार तेंच्यांनी स्पेशली कदंबाय दवरल्या म्हणून आयकूंक येता तशेंच ओपीडी तेंच्यांनी हांगा केल्ली आसा तशेंच आतां लोक हांगा तांकां फूड ग्रेन्स आतां पावोवपाक येता ते दिसून येतात ह्या कारणान
Yeah. Yeah. Hero, can you tell me what is the mood? किती mood बाकीचे rest of the areas Vasco किती mood असा? Now containment we are aware. We got the situation. बाहेर Vasco बाहेर मांगूर हिला बाहेर किती लोकांचो mood किती? तुम्ही आमकां मातशें कितें म्हायती दिवं शकता? Details,
Yeah.
some details.
या सध्या कितें जाला वास्कोकारांक जर विचारले तशेंच वास्कोकार म्हणटात की आमकां लॉकडावन जाय आयच्या दिसा वास्कोकार स्वताहून दुकानां बंद करपाक लागलेले आसा वास्कोचे म्युनिसिपल व्हेजिटेबल मार्केट हे स्वताहून लोकांनी बंद केल्ले आहा वेंडर्सांनी बंद केल्ले आहा तशेंच वास्कोचो आमदार कावन्सिलर्स हे स्वताहून मागतात की मार्केट जावं वास्को लॉकडावन करपाची गरज आसा तशेंच मुरगांवचो ऑपोजिशन जो लिडर आहा जो संकल्प आमोणकर हेणी म्हटलां की मुर्मुगांव हे लॉकडावन जावपाचें तशेंच कुट्टाळचे आमदार म्हणटा की लॉकडावन जावपाचें खंय तरी लोकांची मागणी आहा की लॉकडावन जावपाचें कित्याक एक भयाचो वातावरण निर्माण जाल्लें अशें वास्कोन कित्याक की केसी वाडत आहा आनी अशे लोक जरी सीएम म्हणटा की लोकल ट्रान्समिशन पूण लोक म्हणटात की हांगा खंय तरी लोक भायर फिरपाक लागलेले आसात कित्याक कंटेनमेंट झोन बॅरिकेडिंग केल्ले आसा पूण कशें आहा की वाटे खूब आहात म्हणटात लोक म्हणटात की बारीक बारीक वाटे आहा त्या वाटेनी लोक भायर सरपाक लागले तशेंच जे हांगा हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट जो बाकीचे वर्कर्स जे पुलीस पर्सनल जो आनी बाकीचे पर्सनल जे हांगा डेप्यूट केल्ले कामा खातीर ते खंय तरी आपल्या फॅमिलीक मेळपाक भायर वयतात थंय खंय तरी लोकल ट्रान्समिशन जावपाक शकता अशें लोकांचे म्हणणें आहा तेन्ना हे खंय तरी लॉकडावन करपाक जाय अशें लोकांची मागणी आसा लोक तशेंच संकल्प आमोणकरान एक हे केलें की खंय तरी एमपीटी खंय तरी सपोर्ट जावपाक जाय म्हणून लॉकडावन जायना अशें संकल्प आमोणकराचें म्हणणें आहा आणि लोकांची मागणी आहा की
हिरो
लोकांची भर या येस डन
हिरो बट आता एमपीटी चालू हा ट्रेन्स आर स्टॉप ना ट्रेन्स काय चालना न्हू वास्को रेल्वे स्टेशन बंद आसा सो ओनली एमपीटी इज वर्किंग शिपयार्ड
शिपयार्ड इज ऑल्सो लिमिटेड हे घेतला हेंच्यानी बिकॉज देर वॉज वन अशें आयकूंक येयलां की थिंगा शिपयार्डानूय एक स्टाफ खंय तरी कोवीड पॉझिटिव्ह गावल्लो बिकॉज ही वॉज फ्रॉम मांगूर सो बिकॉज ऑफ दॅट शिपयार्ड इज टेकिंग प्रिकॉशन आनी तेंचे लिमिटेड स्टाफ आनी ती एरिया ती जे सेक्शन आसले ते जीएसएलान ते सेक्शन खंय तरी तेंच्यांनी बंद दवरला बिकॉज ऑफ कित्याक त्या सेक्शनान जे काम करताले तांकां खंय तरी हे जावपाक जाय म्हणून तांकां क्वॉरंटायन जावपाक सांगला तशेंच नेव्ही हा
केटीसी
केटीसी
नेव्ही ओके गो ऑन
नेव्ही
नेव्हीचे सांग
या रायट नाव हांगा पळयता ती नेव्हीची वर्णापुरीची मेन गेट आसा आनी हांगा जे वयपी हा इन आउट करता तेंचेर टोटल रिस्ट्रिक्शन्स लागलेले आहात की कोण येता ताका टोटल चेकिंग करतात ते आनी वॅलीड पास आनी आसल्यार हे करतात तशेंच तेची एमईएस म्हणून आहा एमईएस मिलिटरी इंजिनियरींग सर्विसीस ती खंय तरी तेंचे ऑफिसीस बंद दवरले तेंच्या स्टाफांक तेंच्यांनी 8 दीस येवं नाका म्हटलां बिकॉज तेच्या रिस्ट्रिक्शना खातीर जसे मेजर जे या मेजर ऑफिसेस त्यांच्यानी शटडाऊन केल्ले ऑलमोस्ट ऑल वास्कोकार्स आर सपोर्टिंग द लॉकडाऊन आणि ते सॉ चेंज त्यांच्यानी केल्ल्या मेजर ऑफिसांनी त्यांचे सपोर्ट दिला की येवपाचे ना म्हणून शटडाऊन करपाचे म्हणून सो दे ऑल आर वेटिंग फॉर द गव्हर्नमेंट डिसिजन अँड दे आर वेटिंग फॉर दिस हॅलो या
बट हिरू एक वन प्रॉब्लम म्हाका सारखे डायरेक्ट दिसपाक येता ना मांगूर हिल इज 2000 पीपल राईट 2000 प्लस और
yes
अराउंड
yes
2000
yes
पीपल टोटल वास्को कितले लोक आसा
टोटल वास्को
अप्रॉक्सिमेटली
it will be yeah cannot more than
अप्रॉक्सिमेटली 10 10
yes
15 20,000 people
30,000 about 30,000 असतले
Yeah. Now, if the government, if the administration is found it so difficult to look after 2,000 people, you think that they are capable of handling 30,000 people, supplying them with food and everything? You think it is possible? Maybe that is the reason, one of the reasons that the government is not going in for a lockdown, because they are just, the administration is just not capable of handling so many people, food, all other facilities. Do you think that is a that is a possibility?
Yeah, that may be one reason because right now the medical team which we held, आता बारीक एक उदाहरण दिवपाक गेल्यार the medical team which we were having in Vasco, right now all personnel are quarantined and those who are sick are there are COVID in the COVID hospital. So आमच्याकडे जर मेडिकल टीम जी
Correct.
आली ती सध्या हे हा सो आता आमकां टोटल म्हाका अशें दिसता की आमी दुसरे पेंजिमसून या अदर जी सिटीज आसा थिंगासून आमकां मेडिकल टीम आपोवची अशी पडटली अशी म्हाका अशें दिसून येता सेकंडली ती मेडिकल टीम जर आपयतली जाल्यार अदर सिटीज लायक कलंगूट केस गावल्या सांग्या केस गावल्या दे आर बिजी इन दॅट वर्क सो मे बी त्याच्या खातीर बिकॉज ऑफ दॅट लास्ट 2 days हांगा टेस्टिंग जायना अशें दिसून येता बिकॉज ती टीम हांगा हाडल्या थिंगा टेस्टिंग जातले थंयचे ना जावं बिकॉज ऑफ दॅर इज अ एअरपोर्टार फ्लायट्स येतात ट्रेन्स मारगांव ट्रेन्स येतात बिकॉज ऑफ थिंगा मेडिकल टीम खंय तरी जाय पडटा बिकॉज दॅट्स द रिजन हांगा खंय तरी डिले जावपाक लागलो असो दिसून येता
Now,
आणि तशेंच
Hiru, that is about
second
medical teams. Now, what about
सेकंडली
food?
अबाउट
Food, all
या फूड आता तुम्ही पळयले आता कॅमेरा जर पळयत जाल्यार तुम्ही जर पळयत जाल्यार फाटल्यान नियरली एक 50-60 लोक जमा जाल्ले आहात बिकॉज फूड सप्लाय येयल्ले आहा म्हणून बिकॉज तांकां फूड सप्लाय 2 दीस मेळोंक नासले सो ते फुडा खातीर हांगा जमा जाल्ले आहा आनी कशें आहा फूड चेन सप्लाय आता गव्हर्मेंटान सांगला अशें आता हे मनीस आता पैसे घालून तर बॉक्सान पैसे घालता आनी तशें ते फूड ग्रेन्स व्हरपाक येयल्लो आहा कळ्ळें सो प्रत्येक मनीस येता अशें
but Hiru, look, this is for
पैसे
2,000. Sorry, but
या
2,000 people. We are talking about just in case 30,000 people are to be taken care of. You think the administration is capable of handling those figures?
नो I don't think
30,000
so
and
because
2,000. 2,000 they can't.
No, Baba.
Yes,
Because
yes.
right now this is going very difficult for the administration to tackle. आता पळोवपाक गेल्यार सध्या इट इज व्हेरी कालूच जेन्ना जो केओस जालो आनी हे जालें तेन्नाच इट इज व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट टू टेकल बिकॉज जेन्ना 1,200 लोक जेन्ना भायर सरता रस्त्याचेर अँड वी आर नॉट नोवींग आमी कोणाकूच खबर ना की वेदर दे आर कोविड पॉझिटिव्ह ऑर नॉर्मल person is coming. So it is very difficult to the personnel who is deployed on the site, whether it be a police personnel or doctor, it is very difficult to take a side car park. It is very difficult. So it is very difficult to handle the 30,000 people when असे सिच्युएशन येत जाले लोक आमच्याकडे मेडिकल टीम तितकी जाय पडटली तशेंच पुलीस पर्सनल नर्स आणि बाकीचे स्टाफ जाय पडटले इट्स व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट रायट नाव आय कॅन गिव्ह यू वन एक्झाम्पल रायट नाव इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी देर इज वन पर्सन विथ सिव्हिल ड्रेस who is the electric department staff. He is the JE who is deployed on a year to as a magistrate. Right now, he is the JE who he should be deployed on the electric department because right it is a rainy season where the electric department should be is important for the every public. But in this time he is deployed over because there is no adequate staff. I think so, and people so it is he is deployed over here. Then everything.
Now, so imagine maybe that is one of the reasons why the collector and the chief minister are so hesitant in agreeing to the demands of the MLAs and of the councillors, because maybe it is they are finding it very difficult to put the whole infrastructure together of police people, of lockdown barricades. That is the reason. Maybe that is the reason why the government is not. You feel that it could be one of the reasons. Um,
Yeah, maybe because right now if you can see over here the police personnel also are finding that ते भियायला पासून दिसून येता त्यांना पळयल्यार त्यांच्या मनात एक भंय कित्याक because they don't have any gloves the safety equipment you can see over here there is no gloves nothing is there but they are doing that duty
Could
as
you
is
give
the
me
duty it's a part of you.
Could you give me a
Yes.
close up of the some policeman? I want to see whether he's got any
Yeah,
proper
yeah.
hazmat equipment, some gloves. No,
Right
they have
now
nothing. There are
every
no
public is
gloves, just
yeah every
masks,
public
right?
is wearing mask so as a general public he has wear the mask but there is no nothing safety equipment is there. So it is very difficult for them
No.
also to serve on that. It's a rainy season over here. It's a rainy season where the police personnel are deployed on this checkpost where barricading. And it's the rainy season. There is no shade over here. The
Raincoats,
पाऊस
no,
पडलो
eh,
raincoat.
yeah.
I don't know exactly whether the authorities have provided the raincoats, but they have to stay whole night standing over here in front of these barricades.
Could you give
Yeah,
me
this
a close up of the barricades?
These
Far
barricades
and
are the
close up.
temporary barricades. Yeah, these barricades are the temporary barricades which are kept on the highways or somewhere on the roads, which are brought here and they have kept. These are the movable barricades.
Hero, tell me, you want to add anything?
Then right now I can show you some vehicles. Some people are outside the containment zone who have brought the grocery items for their relatives. There are nearly 50 people who are waiting for the grains or the grocery items. Government will be providing them. But right now there is only the horticulture department or from the government side they have brought the vegetables and they have to pay for that and they have to collect. Once they pay them, they will give them they will supply the food grains and the vegetables.
But they have to come to the barricade to pick up the food grains, or this food grains is being delivered to them to their houses?
No. They have brought ते गाडयेन येयल्या ते गाडयेकडे त्यांनी गाडयेतले सामान काढून दवरलं they have already packed त्यांच्यानी सामान पॅक करून हाडला त्यांच्यानी ते सामान पॅक करून ते पिशव्यो दवरला तशेंच एक बॉक्स दवरला ज्या बॉक्सान त्यांच्यानी पयशे हाडून घालपाचे पर पॅकेट 100 rupees 200 whatever they have charge ते घालपाचे ते उठून whatever exchange करपाची and they have to pick one bag and they have to go. That is the there.
No, but they have to come here. They have to come to the barricade, or they have to come to the vehicle and take the items. No,
They
they are
have
not.
to
They are not. It's not being.
there
Yes,
is
Hiru.
ते होम डिलिव्हर्ड काय ना फक्त त्यांना बॅरिकेडाकडे येवपाक जाय बॅरिकेडाकडे येऊन त्यांच्या बॅरिकेडाकडे गाडी लायिल्ली आहा आणि गाडयेतले सामान सकयल रस्त्यार दवरलेले आहा पिशवेन बांदून आणि थंयसर एक बॉक्स दवरलेलो आहा त्या बॉक्सान तेंच्यांनी पयशे घालपाचे बॅग उखलपाचे आणि ते पिशवेन कितें सामान आहा ते घेवन वयपाचे.
And basically, what we have seen is everybody is demanding for a lockdown to seal Vasco. And right now, what the government has done is done sealing of 2 wards out of 25 wards, and it's been very tough for them. They have 2 days now. They have not done any testing. They've tested around 50%, 1,000. No, they have not done testing. Yesterday there was also a mini riot because food could not reach those 2,000 people. So if around 30,000 people are to be locked down, the administration has to really gear up. And the way what we are hearing, the cases are just the numbers are increasing. See, let's not get into discussion whether it's local or community, but whatever it is, the cases are rising not only in Vasco, not only in Mangur, but even in other areas. So
Then I can just
it's a tough job. It's a tough job. Yes, update. This is
Yes,
Hiro Mahale from outside Mangur Hill.